If you're looking for the best robot mops, here's a collection you've got to see. Let's get started. At any time, you can click the circle for more info and real-time deals. Number 1. Most popular iRobot Braava Jet M6 Ultimate Robot Mop.
For 30 years now, we've designed iRobot products with one consideration in mind: how they'll improve people's lives. That's 30 years of looking at specific problems and building the right solutions, so that robotics can look like this and effortless tech can sound like this. At iRobot, the technology used to find explosives and study oil spills has evolved to map your home and clean your floors. And our app is opening up a future of possibilities in the smart home. So as homes get smarter, more connected, and more automated, our products will too. Innovation, quality, dependability, backed by excellent customer service and the iRobot warranty. That's the iRobot difference.
Number 2. Bissell SpinWave Wet and Dry Robot Vacuum. Every purchase saves pets. Bissell proudly supports Bissell Pet Foundation and its mission to help save homeless pets. Powerfully vacuum or actively mop. With swappable 2-tank system. Hard Floor Expert Bundle. Combines wood floor formula and hard floor expert pads for a complete clean. Powerful automatic vacuuming. Active wet mopping, rotating mop pads scrub and clean floors. Row by row cleaning optimized for an efficient coverage area. Number 3. iLife ShineBot W400S Mop Robot. The iLife ShineBot is a great option if you're looking for a robot mop with a large capacity. It has an extra large water tank with separate vessels for clean and dirty water. It works on tile, stone, and wood flooring by spraying clean water, scrubbing with a microfiber roller, and removing dirty water with suction. It also has a rubber scraper to wipe off any residue. Choose from 4 different cleaning modes, including spot and edge settings. This is, I believe, the best mopping robot on the market, a user wrote in an Amazon review, citing its water reservoir that's large enough to clean 1,500 square feet and its ability to suck up dirty water. Number 4. Yeedi K700 Robotic Vacuum. This quiet robot vacuum produces just 55 decibels of sound while running. That's equivalent to the sound of a coffee maker brewing. The 2-in-1 device can vacuum and mop, and it uses camera mapping technology to do so efficiently. Rather than connecting to an app, it comes with an easy-to-use remote control. The robot mop has more than 1,000 5-star ratings on Amazon and hundreds of positive reviews, including this one. I'm impressed. I have a Roomba also, and this little gal sure is rising to the occasion. She's quieter and really smart. Number 5. iRobot Braava Jet 240 Superior Robot Mop. The most affordable robot mop on our list costs just under $200, but it still offers plenty of smart features that make cleaning floors simple. The iRobot Braava Jet 240 uses a precision jet spray and vibrating cleaning head to scrub away dirt and grime. Plus, its smaller size lets it reach tight places. You can choose from damp and wet settings, which each require different pads. Depending on which pad type you put on the mop, it will automatically clean in the correct mode. While this model doesn't use smart mapping to learn your home's layout like the more expensive iRobot Braava, it does navigate around objects and can steer clear of invisible boundaries. Check out any of the more than 1,200 5-star reviews on Amazon to see why customers love it. Buy with confidence when your iRobot product is sold by Amazon. Protect your investment. iRobot cannot certify the quality or authenticity of products purchased from non-authorized resellers on Amazon. Number 6. iLife V5s Pro 2-in-1 Mopping Robot Vacuum. This robotic floor cleaner has a sweeping system and powerful suction for vacuuming and a water tank and pad for mopping. Simply choose a cleaning mode with the included remote control and send it out to wash your floors. The robot has sensors to detect stairs, ledges, and objects to clean efficiently all on its own. And it will return to its charging station when it's finished or if the battery is running low. If you're looking for a device that can vacuum carpet and scrub hard floors, it's a great basic option. I'm in love with my little floor cleaning robot, an Amazon shopper said. I am very pleased with its sweeping, vacuuming, and mopping prowess. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you like this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.